Welcome to our tutorial on how to find your downloads in Chrome on your PC. Step 1. Open Chrome. Launch the Chrome browser on your PC. Step 2. At the top right corner, click on the More button. Look for the 3 vertical dots. Step 3. Select Downloads from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the Downloads page in Chrome. Once you're on the Downloads page, you'll see a list of your recent downloads. You can easily organize them by file type or search for a specific file using the search bar at the top. To open a downloaded file, simply click on it. If you want to view the file in its folder location, right-click on it and select Show in Folder. To clear your downloads history, click on the Clear All button at the top right of the Downloads page. And that's it. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.